So, I'm here at Derby County Football Club with the LGFB team to discuss today my input to these men's workshops, which are designed to help men who are going through cancer treatment, how to look after the skin, all about hygiene, and more importantly for me, I can take them through some shaving tips, how to use the products and look after the skin. We've got about 12 on the workshop today, and I'm looking forward to introducing my products and my tips to them. A full treatment from scrub wash, massage, hot towel, open the pores, then we start with the gel oil.
And hopefully encouraging people in the community to go to a local barber, have a treatment and invest.
Of course, when you're moving around, you've still got the smell in the hair than the head. So the scent lasts a lot longer and it doesn't irritate the skin. From here, it might grow from the base of the neck up to the middle part of the throat now, so you'll bring your razor on. So you're not going strictly against it straight away and overstressing the skin.
A little bit damp. Quite often the facial scrubs are a bit mentholy. You can feel the granules around, they don't scratch but they're kind of rounded.
And then go against as well, so when you do that, it's smooth. Also when you do that, it's smooth. Across the jawline it's smooth, and the top lip and the chin.